How to use ChatGPT for language learning. Well, hello everybody, welcome into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can use ChatGPT for language learning. Well, using ChatGPT for language learning enables personalized 24/7 tutoring through interactive voice conversations, instant grammar corrections, role playing, and such. Now, what you can do is you can open up ChatGPT and make sure you open up a new chat. Then give it the prompt, teach me or make me learn this language. So, teach me, for instance, become my Spanish language teacher from basic level. So if you're a beginner, right? Now you also want to make sure that you have enabled the voice feature, right? So if you have enabled it, on the right hand side you'll find this voice feature. You can ask it questions in Spanish, you can talk with it, and that way ChatGPT will provide you instant grammar and correction, contextual vocabulary expansion, and you can also create customized content as well using ChatGPT. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.